I find quite amazing. If you look at Talanta Sports Complex, what has been paid is 5% of the project value, but the work's done at 37%. If you go to Nyayo National Stadium, only 19% has been paid. The work's done.
Our responsibility in support of the Ministry of Sports will stop upon completion of the stadium. You have seen the respective completion dates, and we will hand over the stadium to the Ministry of Sports, who I'm sure have a plan on maintenance. Disparity or variance between work done and payments made. And it is in the securitization of the sports fund. And once that process is complete, which is a process between the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the National Treasury, then we will have a flow of money to facilitate the contractors to complete the work.